Hi, this is Pradipti. Today we need to discuss about the secure electronic transaction. Actually, here it came for the secured purpose. Comes under the topic of information security and cryptographic network security. In everywhere, we need to use secure electronic transactions. Now we need to discuss about the how it will work and where we will use. Okay, next. An application layer. At the application layer, a security mechanism consisting of a set of protocols. Through application layer only we can communicate with the other person. Here it will protect credit card transactions on the internet. So basically it will develop for the credit card transactions in a secure way. Companies involve MasterCard, Visa, IBM, Microsoft, Netscape, RSA, CyberCash, NetBeat. It is not an ordinary payment system. It has a complex technical specification. It has some business requirements. Basically, whatever the security it is, first of all, it follows some requirements. There is a confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. This is a CIA tried. Here also, it will the basic requirements for the SCT is the confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. Provide confidentiality of payment and ordering information. Ensure the integrity of all transmitted data. Provide authentication that a card holder is the ultimate user of a credit card account. Provide authentication that a merchant can accept credit card transactions through its relationship with a financial institution. These are the basic requirements for the secure electronic transaction. Ensure the use of the best security practices and system design techniques to protect all legitimate parties in an electronic commerce transactions. This is e-commerce applications also. And create a protocol that neither depends on transport security mechanisms nor prevents their use. It encourages the interoperability among software and network providers. And this is a protocol. It is follows. In the confidentiality, how to make the information confidentiality means all messages are encrypted. By using the encryption technique, we can make that data as a confidential. Trust. All parties must use digital certificates. Privacy. How we need to give a privacy. Information made available only when and where necessary. It is not public. It is a private one. And it is developed by Visa and MasterCard, designed to protect credit card transactions. So already I told you it mainly develops for not to protect credit card transactions. These are the parties in secure electronic transaction. Mainly here we are having a parties of card holder, the credit card holder, and the issuer of the bank, certificate authority, acquirer, merchant, payment gateway. We need to know how it will works. Okay, these are the parties involved in the secure electronic transaction actually. How we need to implement? So already I discussed in order to make the data confidential, we need to use an encryption technique. Who am I dealing with? For authentication, with authenticated persons only, we need to deal all the transactions. For message integrity, we need to use a message digest algorithm, MD5 algorithm. For non-repetition mechanism, we need to use a digital signature. For access control, certificate attributes are there. I mean, for some persons only, they are having some access. That is a private or public one. This is the order here. This is one of the diagram how it will works. So first of all, customer browses and decides to purchase. First. Next, secure electronic sends order and payment information. This is a transaction. It is sent in a secured way. It means it is sends by using an encryption technique, sends an order and payment information. Then merchant towards payment information bank. Merchant towards payment information bank. Which bank? Suppose we need to scan a Paytm or other one. It will scan. and it will automatically connect to your bank, right? Then it will be, the amount will be deducted. The same way here also, first of all, the customer browses, decides to purchase, sends an order and payment information, merchant towards payment information bank. Then bank checks with the issuer for payment authorization, whether the authorized persons make the payment or not, and issuer authorizes the payment. Issuer is nothing but here the banker authorize the payment, then bank authorizes the payment with the merchant, then merchant completes the order. Next, merchant captures the transaction. Once completes the order or after the payment, the customer the merchant receives the transaction. Then issuer sends, who is issuer? Customer's bank, right? Issuer sends credit card bill to customer. This is the way how we need to purchase any product through credit cards. Okay. These are the key technologies of secure electronic transaction. Confidentiality of information, encryption. For integrity of data, we can use message digest or RSA algorithm, digital signature with SHA-1, hash codes, etc. Cardholder account authentication. For here, we are having X.509 digital certificates over there with RSA signatures, and merchant authentication, privacy. Separation of order and payment information using dual signatures. These are dual signature for SCT. What's a dual signature means? First of all, for order, one signature is there. For payment, there are another digital signature is there. That is nothing but a dual signature. Link two messages intended for two different receivers. That is order information and payment information. Order means customer to a merchant and customer to a bank. That is a payment information. The goal here, the limit information to a need to know basis. Merchant does not need credit card number. Bank does not need details of customer order. Offer the customer extra protection in terms of privacy by keeping these items separate. Here the merchant don't know about the credit card information. The bank doesn't know the customer order information, product information. This link is need to prove that payment is intended for this order, not some other one. These are dual signature. One is the order information, another one is the payment information. Here we are using some hashing technique is there. Here we are making an OR operation. Then we need to make a hash. Here we need to make it as a by using the key distribution center. We need to make it as a dual signature. Okay. Here some two hash values are there. H of payment information, H of order information, and the result is hashed here. Okay. Here they are using some hashing algorithm, that is SHA-1. Customer encrypts the final, here encryption final hash with a private key, creating a dual signature here. These are the supported transactions for the SCD. Cardholder registration, merchant registration, purchase request, payment authorization, payment capture, certificate query, purchase inquiry, purchase notification, sale transaction, authorization reversal, capture reversal, credit reversal. These are the secure SCD supported transactions out there. These are credit card protocols. For credit cards, they are using some protocols here. That is a SSL, secure socket layer or system session layer. One or two parties have private keys. TLS, transport layer security. And before that SCT, we are having TLS. There's an extension of TLS is the SCT only. SCPP, Secure Encryption Payment Protocol, MasterCard, IBM, Netscape. They are using these MasterCard, IBM, Netscape. They are using SCPP. Secure transaction technologies are used by Visa and Microsoft. But secure electronic transaction protocol used by the MasterCard, Visa, and all parties have certificates. Payment process. The payment process is broken into two steps. So already we know payment authorization and payment capture. Payment authorization. Payment authorization in the sense the merchant sends an authorization request message to the payment gateway consisting of the following: purchase related information, payment information in the purchase related, dual signature calculated over the payment information or order information and signed with the customer's private key, and the order information has to be signed by the message by using message digest and digital envelope, and then authorization related information and certificates. These are the payment authorization. Authorization related information and authorization block include transaction ID signed with merchant's private key, encrypted one-time session key certificates, cardholder signature key certificates, merchant signature key certificate, merchant's key exchange certificate. This is a payment gateway. Verify all certificates, decrypt authorization block, digital envelope to obtain symmetric key and decrypt block. Verify merchant signature on authorization block. Decrypt payment block, digital envelope to obtain symmetric key and decrypt block. Verify dual signature on payment block. I mean, these are the steps they are using by using a payment gateway. These are interoperability, software development on SCT protocol. These are the softwares. SCT cost software development, hardware and runtime increases with high volumes of transactions. Thank you.